Do you ever wonder why some people seem to have the Midas touch when it comes to stock trading? It's not magic, but a nuanced understanding of stock market trends. Just like the rise and fall of the tides, the stock market ebbs and flows with a rhythm of its own. Recognizing these patterns is the first step towards success in the world of stocks. Today, we'll be diving into the depths of these currents, shining a light on the trends that shape the market's course. We'll dissect the pulse of the market, providing a live analysis that can help you navigate the tumultuous seas of stock trading. Our aim is to equip you with the knowledge and insights that can empower you to make informed decisions about your investments. So, whether you're a seasoned trader or a novice investor, this journey promises to be an enlightening one. Stick around to discover the secrets of successful stock trading. The stock market isn't a mystical realm, it's a dynamic marketplace influenced by numerous factors. Dive into the basics, and you'll see that the stock market functions on simple principles. At its core, it's a place where buyers and sellers come together to trade shares in companies. The price of each share is determined by the fundamental law of economics, supply and demand. When more people want to buy a stock than sell it, the price goes up. Conversely, if more people want to sell a stock than buy it, the price drops. Company performance is another key driver. When a company is doing well, its stock generally goes up. When it's not, the stock may fall. This is because the stock price is, to some degree, a reflection of the company's worth. However, the stock market is not an isolated entity. It's intertwined with the global economy. Any significant event like a political shift, a natural disaster, or a global pandemic can cause fluctuations in the stock market. These events can influence investor sentiment, which in turn affects stock prices. For instance, positive news about a company can attract more buyers, pushing the stock price up. On the other hand, negative news can cause investors to sell, driving the price down. So, you see, the stock market isn't just about numbers and charts, it's a living, breathing entity that responds to a myriad of influences. Understanding these factors can be your first step towards making informed trading decisions. Now, let's dive into the heart of the market and analyze the current trends. There's a lot happening in the stock market right now, and it's important to stay updated. So, let's get to it. First, let's talk about the tech sector. It's been on a roller coaster ride lately. With the rapid advancements in technology and the increasing reliance on digital platforms, tech stocks have seen a significant surge. However, they can be volatile due to factors such as regulatory scrutiny and competitive pressure. Next, let's discuss healthcare. This sector has been showing steady growth over the past few years. The ongoing global health crisis has shown a spotlight on the importance of healthcare, leading to increased investments in this sector. However, it's also susceptible to changes in government policies and regulations. Moving on, the energy sector has been a mixed bag. With the push for green energy and sustainable practices, renewable energy stocks are seeing an uptick. However, traditional energy stocks, particularly oil and gas, are facing challenges due to environmental concerns and fluctuating commodity prices. The financial sector, on the other hand, is performing well. With the economy recovering from the recent downturn, banks and financial institutions are seeing an increase in profits. However, they are also exposed to risks such as interest rate fluctuations and economic downturns. And lastly, the consumer discretionary sector, which includes companies that sell non-essential goods, is seeing some ups and downs. While some companies are thriving due to increased consumer spending, others are struggling due to supply chain disruptions and inflationary pressures. The trends we see in these sectors are influenced by a myriad of factors, from geopolitical events and economic indicators to company-specific news and market sentiment. It's crucial to understand these factors and how they interact to drive market trends. Remember, the stock market is not a one-size-fits-all game. Different sectors perform differently at different times, and what's hot today may not be hot tomorrow. Keeping a close eye on these trends can help you decide where to invest your money. So, you've got the basics down and understand current trends. What's next? The next rung in the ladder of successful stock trading is learning how to diversify. Diversification is the act of spreading your investments across various sectors, companies, or asset types. Think of it as not putting all your eggs in one basket. It's a risk management strategy that can help you avoid catastrophic losses if one particular investment doesn't pan out. Speaking of risk, it's vital to understand your own risk tolerance. This is the degree of variability in investment returns that an investor is willing to withstand. Are you the type to ride the waves, or does even a minor swell make you seasick? Your risk tolerance will guide your investment decisions, helping you choose between high-risk, high-reward stocks and more stable, lower-yield options. Finally, staying informed about market trends is non-negotiable. The stock market is a living, breathing entity that changes from day to day, even minute to minute. Keeping a close eye on these fluctuations will help you make timely decisions, whether it's to buy, sell, or hold. Remember, stock trading isn't a one-size-fits-all endeavor. Your strategy will depend on your financial goals, your available resources, and your stomach for risk. But with diversification, understanding of your risk tolerance, and a commitment to staying informed, you're already on your way to a successful trading journey. Remember, successful trading isn't just about making quick profits, it's about making informed decisions. The world of stock trading can be complex, but with the right knowledge and strategies, it can be navigated successfully. We've embarked on a journey today, unraveling the intricacies of the stock market, from its fundamental understanding to live analysis of current trends. As we've seen, staying updated and being in sync with these trends is not just a choice but a necessity for successful trading. We've also delved into some valuable tips, from the importance of diversification to the significance of patience and discipline. Remember, these aren't just tips but strategies that have been time-tested and proven by successful traders globally. In the realm of stock trading, knowledge truly is power. The more informed your decisions, the better your chances of success. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, the stock market isn't a game of chance but a game of strategy. Happy trading.